Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford F-150. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, adjustable pedals, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.